Welcome to dotcom Builders. This is my WordPress website on Hostinger, and let's say that I want to hide this page from the menu on my WordPress website. So first, log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites, and next to your WordPress website that you want to hide pages from the header, click on WP Admin button. You will directly log in to the WordPress dashboard or to the dashboard of your WordPress website. Now go to Appearance, yes, and click on Editor. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Now, from this page, click on Navigation, and you will see the elements that you see here in the header of your website. So now to edit this navigation, click first on these three dots and select Edit. Click on the header element first to edit it and click on Edit. And here you can start. Let's say, for example, I want to delete the checkout menu item. Click on Remove Checkout. You can also reorder the order of these pages or header elements. After that, make sure to click on Save to publish these changes. Now, after refreshing this page, the checkout header or checkout disappeared from the header. And this is to hide pages from the header in WordPress on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.